Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear friends and students, Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn about the blood vessels. Our blood circulatory system consists of three main components. First one is heart, second one is blood, and third one is vessels. So in this lecture, we will learn about the blood vessels. The blood vessels are divided into three categories: arteries, veins, and the capillaries. These are the three important blood vessels. First one is arteries. These are the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. All the arteries in our blood circulatory system carry oxygenated blood. It means blood having high amount of oxygen and low amount of carbon dioxide. So all arteries carry oxygenated blood throughout the body except pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery, it carry deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to the lungs. So all the arteries carry oxygenated blood. Only pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood. The arteries are composed of three layers. First one is outermost layer, which is composed of connective tissues, and second one is middle layer, which consists of smooth muscles and the elastic tissues, and the third one layer is inner layer, which is composed of endothelial cells. And in the arteries, the hollow cavity in which blood flows, that is known as lumen. When arteries enter in body organs, they divided into smaller vessels that are known as arterioles. And when arterioles enter into body tissues, then they are divided into capillaries. This is a structure of artery and a vein. Both are composed of three layers: outer layer, middle layer, and inner layer. Arteries are further divided into arterioles, and they are divided into capillaries. What are the capillaries? These are the small vessels present in tissues composed of single layers. They are composed from the arterioles. The exchange of materials in our blood circulatory system, such as digested food, oxygen, water, hormones, nutrients, minerals, occurs between blood and tissue fluid with the help of capillaries. So these capillaries help in exchange material between arteries and veins. Veins are also the blood vessels. Their function is to carry blood to the heart. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood from lungs to left atrium. These veins are also composed of three layers: outer, middle, and inner layer, likewise arteries.